Amanda here, and today we are doing a Medusa's makeup unboxing or unbagging for April 2021. Alice came probably a week ago now, but I've had it sitting, and so I need to apologize. I have pretty much missed about a week of videos. We have a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes personally. Nothing terrible, and I will talk about it in due time when I can talk about it. But right now I'm just keeping that mum. But in the meantime, you probably will see more a more disjointed posting schedule from me in the next couple of months. So just a heads up on that. It's not that I don't want to be filming, it's just that I don't necessarily have as much time right now. That said, let's go ahead and get into Medusa's makeup. I think this is $18.99 or something like that per month, and you usually get 4 to 5 products, mostly makeup, mostly Medusa's makeup brand makeup, and then a couple other things, sometimes skincare related, sprinkled in. My battery died on my camera, and I have since changed shirts into my rosé shirt, so sorry for that continuity issue. But let's go ahead and see what came in this month's Medusa's makeup subscription. So I pull it all out, and I have to say, I love the mailer this comes in, and let me tell you why. I do a lot of selling on Poshmark, and I know I owe you guys a selling on Poshmark video, but well, that might be coming a little later than expected. We'll see how things shake out. But yeah, I love these mailers because they're so nice to reuse for Poshmark. They're like perfect to fit like one shirt in, or like a skirt or something, like one item. Love it. Anyway, that is a total aside, but I love reusing these mailers. So let's see what came this month. So we have a hey card. This is for 15% off almost everything on the site. Use code HEY. Good until the 31st of May, 1 per customer. So that's cool. You guys can go ahead and use that code because I probably won't be realistically, so use it up. And then we have our card. So here's the card for this month. And it says Spring Fling. Medusa's makeup. So I guess Spring Fling is our theme. And so the first item that we have here is a face mask. And this is a sheet mask. It's a blueberry repair calming facial mask. I've been on a blueberry kick recently, like food wise, so I'm sure I'll love this. And this is the bonus item. It is a $4.99 value. And it does say this is cruelty free and vegan, which we love to hear. Now, I've mentioned this before in previous videos. Masks like this that have some sort of scent, or in this case it's called aroma, which is funny. I've never seen it listed like that. I usually won't be buying these for myself anymore, but when I get them, I am going to use them because I just love doing sheet masks because they're so fun. Then we have our items that came in the subscription. That was the bonus item. So it looks like we've got 4 things. Let me dig them all out. So the first item is right here. It looks to be a purple eyeshadow. The packaging is cute. So this is the matte eyeshadow in the color Montego Bay. And this is a $12 value. So let's get this out. And this is in a turquoise container with the logo on the front. I'm not gonna lie, this does feel cheap. It feels flimsy is probably a better way to put it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the color, and let me go ahead and swatch that for you guys. Let me do a better swatch than that. Okay, so here is the color. It is not as pungent in the swatch as I thought it would be, and it's probably because it's a matte. I imagine on the eye it's gonna show up just fine though. So I'm probably just going to give this item away to a friend. I already have a whole palette. No, that's the wrong drawer. A whole palette of purples that I don't touch. And realistically, I'm probably not going to use this one either. So I can delusionally hang on to my little palette, but I think I'll go ahead and give this away to a friend. So I'm just going to put it back in its little box so she gets all the packaging and she gets a pretty new purple for spring. And I tend to not look great in purple anyway because I have pretty yellow undertones. I don't know if it comes across on camera as stark as it does in real life, although it probably doesn't even look that stark in real life until I wear like a lavender, and then you look at me and you're like, why do you look like you're jaundiced? Why do you look like super sick? Anyway, that's an aside. Beautiful color. It seems like it's very soft and it's going to look beautiful in the eye, but I'm going to give it away. I would say though, if you like purples or if you don't have other purples in your collection, this is probably a nice one to have. I like that it's matte. Next item we have here is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is the Carrot and Rose Hydrating Cream. So I guess it's like a moisturizer. And it says this is a $19 value. So that's pretty much the whole value of the bag with one item. The packaging is really cute. I like the gold foil lettering. That's kind of fun. And then here is the product, and it is plastic wrapped from top to bottom. So I'm not gonna open it to try it just because that seems irritating to deal with. Let's look at some of the ingredients. It does have fragrance at the end of the ingredient list, so I probably won't use this on my face. I might hold on to this to use on my body or something like that. Just because of how nice and compact the actual container is, this might be a good one to stick on my nightstand and use as a hand cream. So we'll see. Probably not going to use that on my face, and so I'm not super jazzed about it, to be honest. But the packaging is really cute. Next item we have here is from Medusa's makeup, and this is Witch Lash cruelty-free vegan thickening mascara. So that's pretty cool. More gold foil on the packaging, which I love. Oh, and there's a little witch and a trail of stars. That's really cute. I'm never mad at getting a mascara to try out. And this is Bebe is the color, or no, Boogie Nights. No, it just says Mini. Boogie Nights is the name of a different product, but it says this is a $10 value. So I think this is just the plain black mascara. I do love this bright pink packaging. I mean, can you tell? I love pink. Let's take a look at the brush. Oh, so this is very interesting. This is a little half brush, so that means this will probably be really good for getting in with those little lashes. So I kind of love that the brush is miniature because then we can use it on the lower lashes. I tried to do just the corners, but this is kind of hard to do in just the flip back screen. So I'm excited to give this a try, and I'm never mad about getting mascaras, even if they're bad. It's always fun to try a new mascara. So that's a pretty exciting product. And then the last item in the subscription this month is the Disco Queen Sparkle Lip Gloss. And it is in the color Boogie Nights, which is a $14 value. So here is the packaging that comes with. It's got a little cutout so you can see the color on the front, which is pretty cool. And let's take it out. So here is the color. I don't know if you're gonna really be able to pick up on all the variants in the sparkle in here, but it is a really super multi-dimensional type of sparkle. And looking at it, it's got like almost a gold green reflection in it. The color itself kind of feels like it's going to be a sheer warm red, but let's give it a swatch. Okay, it looks a little more brown with hints of red in it when you swatch. And obviously on the lips it's going to be pretty sheer, but let's see if we can get the camera to focus on that swatch. So that's really pretty. I think that would look really good in fall. This strikes me as more of an autumnal color than a spring color, so it's kind of strange that it came in this month's subscription, but either way, I like it. I think it's something I would wear, and when you put it on the skin, the goldy green reflex kind of take a back seat and you get a pinky red reflex. So it's really pretty and I am quite pleased with this. So overall, I would say 3 of these products, well 4, if you count the mask, which is always a fun thing, are pretty cool. This, I'll use it, not in the intended use, but I will use it. So overall, a really good box. I think that this was pretty cool. Even though I'm not intending to keep this, I do think it's a good product. And I am just really excited for these two. I think they're really nice. So that is the Medusa's makeup subscription for April 2021, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Like I did mention, videos may be a little more sporadic in the next couple of months, but I will eventually talk about that at some point, just not yet. And this month we also do have a new subscription that I will be talking about. I actually have it right here, Love Goodly, and I'm gonna end up filming this next, so stay tuned for that. I'll talk to you all later. I just dropped the box. Bye.